Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So for this video, we're going to be going through how to set up your own dropshipping store using Big Cartel. Don't worry, it's not going to be as difficult as it might seem actually. Big Cartel even provides us with the opportunity to start for free, so we don't have to pay for anything, and we'll be able to put our products up without having too much trouble. Let's go ahead and do that by first going ahead to bigcartel.com right here, and then we can go and log in, and then we can select sign up for free, or if you already have an account you can log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in there, which will bring me to the dashboard. So for me, I already have verify my location currently. I can then also add a product or explore shipping profiles, connect a payment processor, design my own shop, and then eventually launch my shop. Let's go ahead and take a look at what else we have here on the dashboard. We can also take a look at orders. We don't have anything just yet. We can also take a look at products. We don't have anything yet since we are still just starting the drop shipping here. We can also have discounts added if we want to, and once we set up all the products, we'll be able to have some sort of sales or discounts for new customers, or a reward for loyalty. So there's a lot of options here for this drop shipping website, which is Big Cartel. But first, let's go ahead and add a product. Okay, so for this one, we can just go here to either dashboard or products. We can click add product here, or you can go through here and just click add product. We can add some sort of image. We can put the product name, description. We can put what category it is in. We can select manage categories, add category name. We'll tap that in later. It all depends on what kind of product you want to sell. So you can sell all sorts of merchandise and a bunch of different items. But first, let's go ahead and go through the product process. We can also add the price, however much we want the price of the item to be. We can also add variants, so if you have different colors or different designs, you could even add a whole variant group for your product as well. So it says enable inventory tracking, so you can also add inventory tracking if you want to. So we can click the variant here, but let's go ahead and remove that for now. Yeah, there we go. And we can also check the shipping, so you can ship alone or with others. So there's the system for Big Cartel. They'll all automatically take the highest shipping alone price for each order, and then apply the with others price for each additional item in the order. So it kind of compiles everything together. And then let's go ahead and put a product here. So let's just say make a t-shirt, I guess. A t-shirt. Description, it's a shirt. Categories, clothing, apparel, or category, clothing, sure. Done. Status active. Price, let's say $10. $10 US. Okay, so white variant. Sure. $10 also. Can't leave this one. Let's go to US. Not UAE. United States. There we go. Then save that. Okay, sweet. So now we can take a look at the products that we have. Let's click products here. We don't have an image yet, but we can add an image there later. Since I don't have any prepared at the moment. And then we can actually also add discounts to that. Let's go and click. We can put a discount code. We can put a description, and we can specify when when the discount will be applied to the product. So it can be when when anybody orders anything. We can say if they spend at least $100 or $50. Then we can offer them free shipping. You can add a percentage discount or a flat rate discount, which is very generous. So yeah, let's say if they spend at least $50, we can give them free shipping for either the entire order, all items in the category, or the specific product. So for like, I don't know, buy one get one free, I guess, free shipping. But for this one, we're just gonna select the entire order. So if they spend $50, they get free shipping for their entire order starting now or a specific date. So for now, let's just say now, and then expiring when it's been used. Of course, one time, sure. And then let's go ahead and save that. So we can put in a code, generate random code. So you can click this. Looks like a dice here. Generate random code. It'll give you one here, and then we can add a description regarding the discount. So we can say buy 10 shirts, get free shipping, and then we just click save, and then we're all set with the discounts. So yeah, it's already added here, and then if it's still active, it'll show here, and if it's expired, it'll show here. But it hasn't been used yet, so there's nothing on this one. And then after that, we can check, we can track the orders on the products that we have. We can also go through the shipping profiles. And then we'll get to edit the profiles so we can create shipping rates from anywhere in the world. So let's go ahead and go through the account page here. You can select the country, time zone, currency. You can get paid via, you can set up the payment methods, payment options. You can add taxes if required, or as required rather, and then you can go through the billing. You can add the discount that we just made earlier. So if they buy 5 products, they get a free shipping. And then you can change your password, add your phone number, etc. It's just as simple as that. You can go through also designing your shop to edit out what it looks like. Let's click design. There we go. So we can change all there's the t-shirts. We can have the contact cart, change the header image. So it's all blank right now. You can also have a repeating background. You can have a slideshow, so you can just go through all the different shirts. You can change the color, the text, all that stuff. All the customization options are here. There's a lot, actually. And then for the pages, you can add another page. So if you want to add pants or other stuff like that, you can separate them into different pages. You can have a setup for the desktop, tablet, or phone. So you can adjust this design based on the device. You can also add codes if you are code savvy. You can go through themes as well if you don't want to go through all the trouble of making this. So let's go ahead and click a theme here, and then it'll apply the theme, and then you can check the cart, stuff like that. And yeah, let's hide that and see how it looks. Awesome. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it's been very helpful in creating your own drop shipping via Big Cartel. And see you next time. Bye.